Well, here we are. Welcome to Lake of the Woods Resort. Here is our cabin called the Chipmunk Cabin.
Hey, here we are, little chipmunks.
Is that Muskrat Love song? So we have a queen bed, and there's a couple of singles over there. There's our car outside there. We have a little fireplace thing here. Looks electric. Little tiny bathroom, little tiny shower, and even a kitchenette.
Yes, coffee pot.
I see a coffee pot. Nice setup with some dishes, knives, forks, spoons, toaster, sink. There's 2 burners under all those dishes. There's a fridge. Yeah, everybody needs one of these, right? An old radio.
Yeah.
Actually works. Windows don't have screens. But here it is, July, and it's
cold.
It's the area. Yeah, it's cool. So I think we're good. This is the Chipmunk, soon to be renamed Tiny Mouse Condo. Here we are back again. And where are we now? Back for dinner. So what's on the menu tonight?
We're gonna have porterhouse pork chops,
Wow.
baked potato loaded,
Loaded.
Salad.
What's it loaded with?
sour cream, cheese, bacon.
Peas? Did you say peas? No peas.
No peas.
Okay. See ya. Bye. There he went.
There he is. Did you see him?
No, but might be under here somewhere. Here, little mouse. Where'd you go? Oh, there he goes.
Did you see him?
Saw him that time.
Yeah, did you see him?
Oh, there he is. There he goes. Here and there somewhere.